Hello everyone. I'm working on the JCB again. I'm replacing the brake pressure accumulator and it's kind of a tricky job. Okay, so I removed the brake pressure accumulator. I will show it to you. So if you have the brake pressure warning light every time you press your brake pedal, it's most likely due to this guy. Because he lost it lost its charge, so you're supposed to have some nitrogen inside, so when your pump fills the hydraulic fluid and your engine dies, your nitrogen will charge your entire brake system with pressure, so you still have like half a liter, maybe a liter of of hydraulic fluid. So after your engine dies, you'll still be able to apply brakes few more times. Okay, I got a new brake pressure accumulator, and you have one of these fittings because it's not the OEM, so this one is original. I will show you where it lives, and it's really tricky to get it. So easiest way to show it, I'm not sure which is the easiest way. So I remove it on this side, so it has to go out this way, but to get it loose, I made myself a tool. So I cut 30 mil spanner and I welded the socket on it, and just a breaker bar and a extension 1/2 inch. So that goes in here. You have to remove the air hose, inlet air hose. So this is the valve on this left side. So from this way to this way it goes brake accumulator, so it screws into this on this side. So it's easiest thing if you cut this rubber and you put your tool. So it's 30 mil, and you put your tool like that and just break the torque, and once you break the torque you'll be able to screw it out by hand from this side. So you have to go with your hand in on this side and screw it out, and it needs to come out this way. You need to move this fuse box a little bit and just will fit right through in here. So I will try to install the new one now, and I'll see how that goes. Okay, I got the new one in. I'm trying to show you. So it's this black thing there. I'm not sure if you can see that black round thing. And now I need to tighten it. My light is messing with my picture. I'll try to zoom in. So it's that black shiny thing inside there. I will try to tighten it now and test the machine. Yeah, we put that thing back inside. Now we're gonna test it. If you remember, last time we started the engine, the brake pressure light went away in a second or so, maybe even quicker. That's because there was no nitrogen inside the accumulator, so it charged the system quite fast because it did not compress the nitrogen. Okay, we'll try now. So we have the brake pressure light, and now we'll see what will happen when we start the engine. It's supposed to, by my opinion, it's supposed to stay on for 3 or 4 seconds. So we need to fill up the pressure in the accumulator. Oh yeah, that's better. Let's try now when we press the brake. So if you remember, each time we press the brake pressure light went on. Oh, that's good. No brake pressure light. I like it. Okay, what's that? Okay, now we'll go for a test drive. Okay, I believe this is it. The brake warning light is gone, brakes like crazy, the brakes are perfect now. All we have left now is just top up the hydraulic fluid, give it a quick wash and send it to customer. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, because there is plenty of work here just waiting to be done. So just for a quick tour, we have a Caterpillar 320C main bearing, entire boom stick bucket, everything needs to be everything needs new pins, new bushings, everything. So we have this Komatsu 228 main bearing, also replacement. We have few Sunnies there with electrical issue. We have Linde here with a fuel leak. We have Deutzfahr with electrical problem and brake problem also. So I have to go from the other side. So if you like this video, subscribe. Plenty of interesting stuff. Look, this is just the Deutz from inside. I started to work on that, but I didn't have enough time. It's not a rush. We have a Yanmar B22 with a blown engine. It needs to be reassembled again. Just worth mentioning, this is my buddy. His name is Carlo. He's working here with me. If you like him, press the like button on my channel, not on his. And talk to you soon.